Have you ever noticed how broccoli tastes different depending on how it's cooked? Soft and bland one day, but rich, sweet, and full of flavor the next? Here's the surprising truth. According to Harvard nutrition researchers, up to 70% of broccoli's key nutrients can be lost when it's cooked the wrong way. That means you could be eating this super healthy vegetable and still missing most of its benefits. For many older adults, broccoli is more than just a side dish. It's a daily source of fiber, calcium, and antioxidants that support digestion, heart health, and strong bones. But only if it's prepared correctly. So today, we'll explore 5 of the best ways to cook broccoli for seniors, to keep its vitamins, flavor, and gentle texture alive. Stay with me, because just one small change in your cooking method could make a big difference in your health. Many older adults try to eat healthy. But the truth is, most end up losing the very nutrients they need most, right in their own kitchen. Let's be honest, we've all done it. Boiling broccoli until it turns dull and mushy, or reheating leftovers again and again until the color fades to gray. It looks harmless. But here's what's really happening. Each minute of overcooking breaks down its vitamin C, sulforaphane, and folate, compounds that protect your heart, bones, and memory. Dr. Emily Ho from Oregon State University once said, "Broccoli's power lies in its enzymes, but heat can easily destroy them." And that's exactly why so many seniors, even when they eat vegetables daily, still struggle with low energy, weak digestion, and poor nutrient absorption. I remember my neighbor, Mrs. Thompson, who used to steam her broccoli for 15 minutes because she thought softer means healthier. But when she learned to cook it the right way, just 5 minutes with gentle heat, she started to feel lighter and more energetic within weeks. The problem isn't that we don't eat enough vegetables. It's that we're unknowingly cooking away their magic. And that's what today's video will change, step by step. Because with just a few simple tweaks, your broccoli can go from plain and soft to vibrant, healing, and full of life again. Now let's talk about the fun part. How to cook broccoli so it's delicious, gentle on digestion, and packed with nutrition. 1. Light steaming, the gentle way. Just 5 minutes can protect what 15 minutes can destroy. Steaming is one of the healthiest ways to prepare broccoli. Place fresh florets in a steamer basket over boiling water for no more than 4 or 5 minutes. Why? Because light steam helps preserve sulforaphane, a natural compound shown in Harvard studies to support heart health and reduce inflammation. Too long, and those enzymes vanish. You'll know it's perfect when the color turns bright, green, and still feels slightly crisp. Health tip: a squeeze of lemon juice right after steaming helps your body absorb more antioxidants and gives it a refreshing flavor. 2. Sauté with olive oil and garlic for flavor and brain health. A little olive oil turns broccoli into brain food. In a pan, warm 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, add minced garlic, then toss in your broccoli for 5 to 6 minutes. This quick sauté locks in nutrients while coating the vegetable in heart-friendly fats. According to the Cleveland Clinic, olive oil's polyphenols and vitamin E can help protect aging brain cells and arteries. The garlic not only adds flavor, it also supports immunity and helps balance cholesterol. Health tip: avoid frying at high heat. Gentle sautéing is key to keeping both nutrients and flavor. 3. Blanch and chill for salads and digestion. The secret to soft yet crunchy broccoli lies in the ice. Drop the florets into boiling water for 2 minutes, then quickly move them to a bowl of ice water. This method keeps the color bright, texture crisp, and makes it easier to digest. Ideal for older adults with sensitive stomachs. Blanched broccoli can be added to cold salads, grain bowls, or even blended into smoothies. Health tip: add a drizzle of flaxseed oil or sprinkle of chia seeds afterward for an omega-3 boost. Great for joint flexibility. Broccoli doesn't have to be boring or bland. When cooked right, it becomes one of the simplest, most healing foods in your kitchen, protecting your heart, bones, and memory every single day. Even the healthiest foods can lose their magic, or even cause discomfort. if prepared the wrong way. And broccoli is no exception. Many seniors think eating it raw means keeping all the nutrients, but for those with weaker digestion, that can backfire. Raw broccoli contains compounds called goitrogens, which can interfere with thyroid function if eaten in large amounts. It can also cause gas and bloating because the fibers are harder to break down. So, gentle cooking, like steaming or sautéing, is the safer, smarter choice. Another common mistake is reheating broccoli several times. Each reheating round destroys more vitamin C and antioxidants. If you've cooked too much, store leftovers in the fridge and enjoy them cold in a salad within 1 day instead of reheating. Smart tip: avoid cooking broccoli in aluminum pots. Heat and acid from lemon or vinegar can cause small amounts of metal to leach into your food. Use stainless steel or ceramic cookware instead. Bonus tip: to boost sulforaphane, the star nutrient in broccoli, add a pinch of mustard powder or mix in chopped raw broccoli sprouts right after cooking. Research from Johns Hopkins University found this simple trick can double your broccoli's antioxidant power. So remember, even good foods need gentle handling. When treated with care, broccoli becomes more than a vegetable. It's natural protection for your heart, your brain, and your energy. So there you have it, 5 simple science-backed ways to turn ordinary broccoli into a healing superfood for your body after 60. No fancy supplements, no expensive diets. Just a few small changes in how you cook. Think about it. A vegetable so humble, yet powerful enough to support your heart, boost digestion, strengthen bones, and even protect your memory. It's a quiet reminder that sometimes the most powerful medicine isn't found in a bottle. It's found on your dinner plate. So this week, try one of these cooking methods. Steam it lightly, sauté it with olive oil, or toss it into a crisp salad and feel how your body responds. Your energy, your digestion, even your mood might surprise you. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Because every time you share, you might help another friend or loved one live healthier after 60. And remember this: sometimes the best medicine grows right in your kitchen.